Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to take a look at allowing students to do something on their own screens, and then in the next screen it will put all of their work together so they can see what their classmates have done. So we're going to start with something that as the math is real simple so we can learn the computation layer. So what I'm going to do is on one screen students are just going to type in ordered pairs, and then on the next screen it's going to take all their ordered pairs and just show them all. So each student can see all of the ordered pairs from the whole class, not just their own. Okay, so here I have my blank Desmos activity, and what I'm going to do here is, this would normally be like your title screen, whatever, who cares. Let's put a table in, and I'm going to have them put in 3 ordered pairs. And my instructions are going to be real simple here. Just type in 3 ordered pairs, period. Now you would come up with something much better than that. And then we have to label our table. I'm going to call mine table 1. All right, that's it. That's all I'm going to do on this screen. Next screen. I want these to show up in a graph. Okay, so there's 2 different things here with the graph. There's the actual graph component. So when I click on the graph, I've got this work to do. And then there's the graph computation layer. That's where you would put the coding in. It's all coding to me. Okay, so I'm going to start with the graph component. So I'm going to click on the graph. I'm going to edit the graph. And what I want to do is I want to tell the graph where its information is coming from, or, what's going to be graphed. So since I have 3 ordered pairs, I'm going to have the x values be x sub 1, x sub 2, x sub 3. So x sub 1 is going to have, let's say the class, the highest you have is like 25 students. You can go a little bit bigger there, whatever you need to do. I'm just going to put 1 to 25. So there will be 25 elements here. Really, it's just how many students you have. Make sure you've got that covered. All right, and now I'm just going to copy this part, the equals, because that's all going to stay the same here, because I need to do this for x2. I need to do it for x3. Now the y values, y1. Oops. Did you see that? That was cool. y2 and y3. Okay, so now we know that these lists exist. I don't know what's in them yet, but they exist. So what are you going to do with these lists? Well, I'm going to make ordered pairs out of them. So I'm going to make the ordered pair x1, y1, x2, comma, y2. Now, if you don't know, for the subscript, you don't have to do anything. You just type x then 3, and it automatically makes it a subscript. I just want these all to be the same color. No real rhyme or reason there. You might want them different colors for some reason. Okay, and that's all I'm going to do here. Now, don't let this freak you out. Once we're done putting the computation layer in, those won't be there. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right, let's go into the computation layer. Now, what we want to do here is we connect what's in the table to what's in the graph. All right, so we're going to take this number list and it's going to be x sub 1. So the number list that's in my graph, I needed to know where it's coming from. Now this is a little underscore here. That's what you have to do for the subscript. Okay, so what I want to do is aggregate that information. So I'm going to aggregate what information? Well, it's coming from table 1. And it's this, oh, that's not spelled right. There we go. It's coming from the cell numeric value. Well, now which cell? So X1 will be cell 1, 1. And remember, it's how does that go? It goes row, then column. That messes me up. I really think it should be column, then row. Okay, so I'm going to save myself some typing here. I'm just going to copy this. And since I have 6 variables, there's 1, 2, 3, and then down here I'll do the y's, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so these are my x's. So this will be x2, x3. These will be my y's. Y, y2, and y3. Okay. Now, they're not all getting their cell values from this same cell. It keeps changing. So the x's, oh gosh, let me think. So this will be 1, then this will be 2, then that will be 3. All right, with the y's, the same thing will happen, except this will come from the second column. Man, that really messes me up. I don't know why. And that should be it. Let's see if I didn't mess something up. Let's preview it. Okay, see, nothing here because I didn't put anything in the table. So type in 3 ordered pairs, -5, 1, 7, -2, and 4, 3. Oh, look at that. There they are. Now, I'm the only student in this, so you can only see mine. But if there were more students, you would see theirs as well. I hope. Okay, there's that. Have a great day, everybody.